Alrighty, hello guys, welcome your faces back to another video on my channel. Today we are going to have a quick video where we check out 3 different creations, starting with this 3-wheeler right here. So, let's go ahead and get inside this thing, go ahead and turn it on and get it moving. Yes, alright, you should be able to hear some bing bongs in the background, and essentially that is the bridge that we're going to check out next. It does look awesome, it looks really cool. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any instructions and is kind of hard to use, because it doesn't have any instructions. But anyway, let's go ahead and get ourselves up to the gate and make sure we can actually get going very soon. Oh, it has started breaking the bridge. That is not good. Anyway, go ahead and leave our little car right here. We'll go upstairs, we'll try and make the bridge work. Hopefully it isn't absolutely annihilated. It does seem like it might be though. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. And that should start lowering the bridge back down. Whether that's actually going to work or not, I'm unsure. I'm also going to do this and this, get rid of this guy, and also get rid of this guy to about 0. And then we can get going. Alright. Is it lowering down or is it actually broken? I think it might actually be broken. Oh, well that's not good. That's not really what we wanted. But if we can, I need to get ourselves a welder, and then we should be able to fix that. Unfortunately, I don't think I've got one. Which is kind of unfortunate, really. That should work completely fine. It's just a little bit glitchy. That's a yikes. I've grabbed a welder. Are we going to be able to fix this in the situation where we need to fix this? I don't actually know. Like, I don't know where it's actually broke the actual, like, thingamabobbies, but I'm going to go ahead and try and repair, like, everything. And then we'll see what happens from there. Whether it's actually going to work or not, I'm unsure. This seems to be the bit where it's actually causing issues. In fact, it's lowering down now. It is actually working. Look at it go. Ah, yeah. So it's very much weighted here. Oh. Okay, that was a bit dangerous, but it does work. Let's go ahead and get back inside our little car and drive across. Here we go. Yeah, turn the parking brake off and off we go. Beautiful. I mean, the bridge itself is awesome. Oh no, it's actually lowered too far. Oh, that's no good. That's not good. I need to lift it up again. But I don't think it will. Let's go try. Excuse me, will you lift up a little bit? Here we go. Lift up just a tiny bit more. Okay, I think it's trying, but I don't think it's going to be able to do it. It might even be because there's a car on it. Maybe. Oh, yikes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try and fix some more of it. There we go. Keep fixing, and we might be good. Okay, is it anything to do with this side? Probably not, actually. It's probably got nothing to do with this side. I think it's somewhere in the middle where we need to fix this. Okay, well, I fixed more of it, and it does seem to have lifted it up a little bit, so let's go ahead and just try and drive off there if we can. Here we go. Boing! There we go. So the bridge actually works. It has those little warning lights, which is actually pretty awesome. It also has the barriers as well. It's just none of it is labeled on the inside, as you guys will be able to see right here. There's just, well, actually, lights is labeled, bridge is labeled, up and down is labeled, but not really which way. These guys aren't labeled, but these are the bongers. Okay, and then we got these guys that aren't labeled. I don't know what they do. These guys, again, I don't know what they do. And then we got bridge lights right there, and this guy doesn't do anything. So, it's a little bit confusing that is a thing, but if it was all labeled, this thing would be fantastic. Anyway, let's move on to our next job, shall we? So, the next thing that I actually wanted to take a quick little look at is this guy right here. This is a 40-meter crane. So, let's go ahead and jump inside. Go ahead and close this up. Okay, I can't. It turns out. Okay. Cabin light, okay, spotlight, sure, warning lights, heater. I don't think any of that's working because I don't think our electrical supply is on. Maybe it needs that? I don't actually know. How do I turn this thing on? Okay, not gonna lie, I can't see anywhere where it would turn on, so maybe infinite electricity is actually required on this one. Yes, okay, it seems like it might be, but there also might be something somewhere else. I don't know. Anyway, on the end of this, we have a way of lifting up containers, as you guys can see. But what we will probably try and lift up is our car. So, let's lift this into the sky just a little bit. Here we go. Nicely done, yes. Okay, go ahead and lower it down if I can. Winch up and down, here we go. And I guess we're just going to go ahead and shove our car underneath it and see if we can lift it up. Okay, jump outside. In the car, park your brake off, go, go, go. We have a connector on the back, so let's just use that. Here we go, forwards a little bit more. Yeah, leave it right there, excellent. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm not sure what will happen, but I'm assuming it will lift it quite easily, hopefully. So, yeah, nice. That is, I mean, it's lowered. It's not quite connected on the way we need it to, though. So let's lift it a little bit higher. So it goes behind the little car. And then we should be able to lower it down, attach onto there, and then go. Oh, wow. No, wait. We need to go way higher if we're going to do this. Holy moly. Okay, yeah. There we go. Now it's going to work. Okay, if we're ready, it is down. There we go. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see if we can drive the car forwards a little bit and attach it onto the back. All right, here we go. I haven't used reverse yet. How do I go in reverse? Oh, it just automatically does it. Amazing. All right, there we go. We're connected. So now we should be able to lift up the little car. This is so weird, and I don't think you'd want to do this, but sure. Let's go ahead and lift this boy up. There we go. And it's working. Can I extend this too? Because that'd be really cool. Oh my, look at that. I wonder how much weight this thing can actually hold. I'm assuming quite a lot, but I don't know. Look at it go. Hot diggity dog. Nice. All right, but can we extend it down? And can we swing it around? Is that something we can do? Yeah. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Nice. Okay, yeah. So, I mean, it works. It does actually work, and this one is a little bit easier to use than the bridges because everything's labeled, which is awesome. The only thing that I can think of that is an issue is I don't know how you turn the actual electricity on, or whether it needs infinite electricity. I'm not sure. But anyway, we can swing it around, which is awesome. What else can we do? I think we can actually spin that bit around on the end. So if I press 1, it does actually twist. That's really cool. So you can actually like put containers down in different directions. That is such a good move. That's a really good move. Anyway, we don't actually need this car, so let's go ahead and drop it in the water. There we go. Lovely. Nice. Okay, so that is pretty much everything that I actually wanted to show you guys today. It was only going to be a quick video, and it is only a quick video. If you guys want to check out any of these creations, I'll link them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.